this brand new listing in the heart of West Cobb at the Browns Farm neighborhood, which is an active swim tennis community. Let's check it out. Look at this awesome kitchen. Wouldn't you love to cook and entertain in this kitchen? So it features a nice size island, stainless appliances. You have gas cooktop, 2 stainless double ovens, an amazing walk-in pantry, and the best part, you have this perfect nook to make your coffee. Right off of this amazing kitchen, you walk out into your spacious screened porch. Perfect for entertaining in all types of weather. Right off of your eat-in kitchen, it flows nicely into the spacious 2-story great room that has custom built-ins, gas log fireplace, and this amazing wall of windows. Beautiful. Making our way into the oversized master suite. Features vaulted tray ceiling, plenty of natural light, and space for a sitting room. Transitioning into the master bath. You have dual vanities, a jetted tub, and a separate shower. Plus, we're gonna make our way into the master bedroom closet. And look at all of this space. And attic storage. Moving to the terrace level of the home, you have a spacious living room with built-in custom entertainment center, recessed lighting, and beautiful doors that open directly to your private backyard and patio. Also on the terrace level is a spacious workshop. Great for all you DIYers.